I'm going to show you how to do this Hailey Bieber inspired bronzy summer glowy skin makeup look in under 5 minutes. I'm focusing this video around some Merit Beauty products. If you haven't heard, it's a clean makeup brand. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a long time. The products are luxury and clean. You can get them at Sephora. The first thing I'm going to go in and do is my eyebrows using the brown volumizing pomade. This kind of gets your brow into that fluffy shape. Adds some color onto the hair, and then I'll just go in and fill in the gaps with brow pencil. Bronzing. So I'm going to get creative and do a little bit of mixing. My go-to product for bronzing is their bronzing balm in Seine. It's honestly almost gone, and for me, I usually never use products to the end. It's the best. I'm going to use the brush. This is like their really popular brush to blend it in and show you how to use that. And then they have a new product that I want to show you. Using my little contour nose brush. And it gives you like a little button nose. I'm going to kind of layer a little bit of the new Solstice product on top of some of these areas that I want to add a bit of glow, which is kind of basically everywhere. I won't put it on my nose though. Then I'm going to use their brush, an amazing brush for foundation, face products, everything. Hailey Bieber always has like a gorgeous tanned glow. It always looks like she's bronze. This kind of looks like what she applies. I feel like her glowy bronzy look has a bit of this on the eyes. Add this cream as an eyeshadow as well. It's not like eyeshadow, it's kind of just like contour and highlight in one. And you can see just how much depth that adds to the eye. Definitely something Hailey would wear. Then the actual highlight, my probably favorite highlight I've ever tried ever, is the Bounce Highlighting Balm. Hailey obviously has just insanely hydrated and glowy cheekbones and makeup just in general. So we have to make sure that we like overdo the glow here. Kind of in like a C shape, I like putting it, and then absolutely on my nose. And then the blushy bronze step I think is really key in this specific makeup look because it's like the blush and the bronzer is just all glowy together on the face. So I'm going to use the cheek color in Terracotta because I feel like that's a great color to do that blush and bronze mix. So I'm going to place it like a little bit high. I'm going to go back in with this brush just because I feel like we'll just blend everything together. Blend it like all the way up to the eye, back to the hairline, over on the cheek. This is a very blended, wide area. And I put a little on the eye to make sure that color carries over. I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil. The perfect brown. Do a little tight lining here on the top. I feel like she always wears this really light faded brown flick on the end, so that's what I'm gonna add. I kind of like to go over the freckles that I have, highlight them. I'm using the Merit Beauty Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. Love this mascara. I just recently did a lash lift on my lashes, so they're already kind of curled and defined a little bit, so I'm not gonna curl my lash today. I'm just gonna coat in mascara. So I just kind of I wiggle from the base, coat all the lash, let that dry for a little bit. I'll kind of go in with a little more mascara and it starts to get kind of tacky at this point. I like to direct the lashes a little bit out the side. And in Hailey's makeup looks, I feel like she's always wearing obviously like a very neutral brown lip liner. So that's what I'm going to go in with today. This one's from Wonderskin Contour Lip Liner in Saddle, which is the perfect kind of color. Kind of like your natural color, just a little deeper and like a little more brown tone. I find that is kind of what she consistently wears. I'm going to do just a teeny bit of shading to make that color look kind of natural. Then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite Merit Beauty lip products, the Bel Air Tinted Lip Oil. So it's just a very light, maybe a slight little bit of like gold to it. And that is my finished Hailey Bieber Summer Glowy Makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. Same handle at hall_ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.